If you want to use proxies purchased in IPFoxy on ClonBrowser, click on Cooperative Partner. Visit IPFoxy on the second page. Please bind the IPFoxy account when you open it the first time. If you do not have any proxy, you need to buy one first. After finishing the purchase, find your proxy and copy the information. Go back to ClonBrowser. Click on New Profile. Then enter the profile name. Click Add. Paste the information. Click Parse. It will complete the form automatically. Click Connect Test to check the connection. Click Save in the end. After creating the profile, just click Start to use the browser.